Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Integrating this rational function is actually super fast if you follow these simple steps. Let's solve this problem together right now. Watch this. First, we need to factor the quadratic denominator. Since 3 and 1 multiply to 3 and add to 4, the expression factors beautifully into x minus 3 times x minus 1. Next, we apply partial fraction decomposition to split the fraction. We find the constants are positive 1/2 and negative 1/2 for our two separate terms. This makes integration easy. Finally, we integrate each part to get natural logs. This leads directly to the correct result. Option C is our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, trust given values, and check steps to avoid a rush.